teacher.
What is your name?
My name is Richard.
Richard, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Good. Richard, I will show you some pictures and some flashcards, and I will ask you some questions. Are you ready for the test today?
Yes.
Good, Richard. Let's begin. Now, look at the picture. Where are they?
They are on the farm.
What can you see?
I can see a cow, a house, a car, two children, two sheep, three ducks, a dog, a donkey.
Very good. Now, can you tell me, Richard, what is the cow doing?
It's eating.
What is the dog doing?
It's running.
Where is the dog?
It's next to the boy.
What is the girl doing?
She flying a kite.
What is it?
It's a duck.
Is the duck yellow?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Let's look at the flashcards and can you tell me what is it?
It's a bee.
Now put the bee on the donkey. Where is the donkey?
It's under the bee.
What is it?
It's banana.
Now put the banana between the two sheep. Where is the banana?
It's between two sheep.
What is it?
It's a cat.
Now put the cat under the flower. Where is the flower?
It's under the flower.
Where is the flower?
Flower on the cup.
Good. It's on the cap. Very good, Richard. Now, Richard, let's look at the picture. Can you tell me what is it?
It's a bike.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What color is your bike?
It's blue.
Very good. What is it?
It's orange juice.
Do you like orange juice?
Yes, it's it.
Do you like orange juice?
Yes, I do.
What drink do you like?
I like apple juice.
Good. What is it?
It's a rubber.
Have you got a rubber? Have you got a rubber?
Yes, I have.
Good. Is it big or is it small?
It's small.
What is it?
It's a watch.
Do you wear a watch?
No, I don't.
Do you have a tablet?
No, I don't.
Don't. Good. Can you tell me, Richard, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Yên district.
What is your favorite sport?
I like football.
Great job. Well done, Richard. Very good. I will give my comments about Richard's test today. He did really well in his test. His pronunciation, structures and vocabulary are very good. So I will say well done. Great job, Richard. Keep it up. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.